Yo, what the fuck is good, boys? Welcome back to another very long-awaited video. I know I haven't uploaded a video in months, and I haven't uploaded a vlog in probably years. I've been gone for a few, but I've done a few things, and I think it's time to switch up the channel. I think I'm gonna switch to cars. In my car in specific. Most of you guys probably remember me from my gaming phase, but I don't really have enough time to do that stuff anymore. So I figured I'd just do something that I enjoy more, and now that I got a new car, I can actually start doing stuff like that. And the car I got is a magnetic metallic 2017 Focus ST. Bought it completely stock from Alabama, and so far I've only done performance stuff really. Haven't done any like exterior, interior mods, designs, anything except for the wing raiser if you want to count that. But I figured I want to tell you a little bit about it before I go into work here, and then I'll let you see it and hear it after, because I'm not trying to rev my shit up before work and get in trouble. So first thing I did was, my buddy was selling all of his parts off of his Focus ST. He had a triple yellow thing, was freaking beautiful. But he sold it and he got a Nardo Gray RS. Thing is even more beautiful. You guys will probably see him. I plan on making more videos with my friends, because I have a lot of friends that have way cooler cars than I do, but I'm working on it. The first mod I did to this car was the Mishimoto front mount intercooler. Did that in one night, took my stock intercooler, put it on my buddy's car, and he sold his car the next day. Second thing I did, the AWE track exhaust and the CNT catless downpipe at the same time. We started that at like 8 p.m. one night in my buddy's garage, finished at 5:03, 5:04 in the morning, and I drove it home. I was not gonna work on it tomorrow. I was determined to get it done that night, and I did. It was bad. It was frustrating. It was the first time I've ever like worked under this car. I've only had it for like 2 weeks at the time, and I already was modding it because my friend wanted to get rid of those parts, and I didn't really know a lot, and it sucked. It really sucked. I don't think if Cameron Elford didn't exist, I don't think I could have gotten that done. Shout out to him. He's a huge help if you guys have one of these cars. You guys probably already know that. Another third, fourth thing I did, whatever, is Cobb access port. Pretty easy, super nice, love the thing. I'm working on getting tuned right now. I bought it, and the tuning shop, or no, it wasn't even a tuning shop, it was just a dealership. They didn't unmarry it the right way, so we tried to get a hold of the guy that's actually connected to that. Okay, this is really confusing, but my access port was connected to somebody else's car. Couldn't find him. Found him, but he had paid a Ford dealership $2,000 to factory reset his ECU, so it was pointless. So anyways, I have to send this back to Cobb, have them factory reset it, and then I should be able to get my tune from JST. I want to go stage 3. The only other thing I've done is I did a K&N air filter. I'm just on the stock intake right now still, but I do want to get that. I got 2 Hella Super Tones in the front. I ordered the white Velocitec air scoop. That's going to go in there probably next week. That was pretty much it. That's about all I've done so far. I'll let you guys see it and hear it. I'll let you hear it right now and see it, but it's pretty damn loud, and if I want to let you guys hear it, you're gonna hear it, and I'm not trying to get yelled at by my short bald boss. But I'll be done in a couple hours. I'm gonna go grind this out, and I'll pick up where I left off. Your boy's finally free. Took a lot longer to get out of there than I expected. It is dark. I don't know if I really have time, because I don't like ripping my car through town at night. It's not really the greatest thing for me in the law, so I'm gonna give you guys a cold start at least, and I'll give you at least one pull. Don't worry. All right, here it is. This is gonna just be a GoPro little drive here. All the windows down. Don't you guys hear it too? You gotta try to be a little bit quieter on my neighborhood. I got pulled over right in front of my house. I got a ticket. Yeah, sorry about the angle, by the way. It's gonna get better, but this is all I got for now. Give you guys some pulls here, definitely, but you just get out of my hometown here. But yeah, for now, I've had the car for probably about 3-4 months now. I love it. I've had no issues so far, knock on wood, but I know these cars tend to be not reliable. But then again, a lot of people do a lot of stupid things with their Focuses, and they kind of do it to themselves. I'm decently smart with it. I try not to be hard on it. I try to be a little bit easy. This is actually the first manual car I've owned. I bought it, didn't even know how to drive manual. I was scared to drive it home from the dealership, but I did. Barely made it home, didn't stall. I test drove this thing, installed it probably like 10 times, but you know how it goes. All right, that's a cop. Gotta chill out. Bit. Fucking love this thing, man. Sounds so good, so rowdy. It's crazy. I definitely need to get another chest mount or a head mount or something, because the angle on this thing just doesn't do it. I mean, I'll have to see when I go and edit this, but yeah, boys, that's pretty much about it. I'll just give you a quick walk around before I end it. Since you guys have heard it, I'll show it to you. Like I said, gold Mishimoto intercooler, got the white horns. I want the Velocitec Ram intake too. Stock, literally everything stock in the outside except for wing raiser, if you want to count that. AWE track exhaust, CNT catless downpipe, and Cobb axis port, and Turbo Smart blow-off valve. It's pretty much all she is so far. I freaking love the car. Plan on making tons more content with this thing and building this thing, forged internals. I have a long way to go, a lot of plans for this thing. Be sure to hit the like button if you did enjoy. If you guys do want to see more videos, please subscribe, comment what kind of mods you guys think I should do to the car. I definitely am looking for some wheels. I want to do tint and lower it. Those are like my next 3 things that I want to do. Also, I want to keep doing performance stuff, so please leave performance stuff down in the comments too, so I can see what you guys' opinions are as well. But thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed. See you guys in the next video. Peace.